Have you ever wondered what happens if you don't change your car's oil? Well, let's dive into that. Regular oil changes are, in essence, the lifeblood of your vehicle's maintenance. The oil functions as the lubricant for your engine, ensuring that all parts move smoothly, while also absorbing the heat produced by the engine's operations. However, like most things, engine oil doesn't last forever. Over time, it breaks down and becomes less effective, unable to perform its duties to the best of its abilities. This is why regular oil changes are so important. Now, the frequency of these vital oil changes largely depends on your vehicle's make, model, and year. Some recommendations suggest every 3,000 miles, while others stretch it out to 10,000 miles. It's crucial to know what works best for your car and stick to it. So you see, neglecting oil changes can lead to serious consequences. But what exactly happens if you fail to change your car's oil regularly? Well, it's like skipping meals for a long time. At first, you might not notice the hunger, but gradually, your body will start to feel the effects. Similarly, neglecting regular oil changes might not cause immediate damage, but over time, it can have severe consequences for your car. Engine oil plays an essential role in keeping your car running smoothly. It acts as a lubricant, reducing friction among the engine parts, and as a coolant, absorbing excess heat. But as the oil ages, it begins to break down and loses its effectiveness. This means it can no longer perform its duties as efficiently as before. The first victim of this neglect is often your car's performance. The engine starts to work harder, leading to decreased fuel efficiency. You might find yourself visiting the gas station more frequently, and your smooth ride could become a bit more bumpy, but the consequences don't stop there. As the old, ineffective oil continues to circulate within your engine, it can lead to the buildup of damaging deposits. This can cause various engine parts to wear out faster, leading to costly repairs down the road. Now let's imagine the worst-case scenario. If you continue to ignore the need for an oil change, your engine could experience complete failure. This is when the damaged engine parts can no longer function, leaving you with a car that won't run. In many cases, fixing a completely failed engine is so expensive that it's more cost-effective to buy a new vehicle. So, while it might seem tempting to skip an oil change to save a few bucks, or because you're too busy, remember that the price you could end up paying is far higher. Yes, failing to change your car's oil can cause serious damage and even total engine failure. So, how can you prevent this from happening to your vehicle? Well, it's simple. Regularly checking your oil levels and its quality is the first step to safeguarding your engine's health. Let's break it down. To check the oil level, your car should be parked on level ground. Pull out the dipstick, wipe it clean, then reinsert it fully. When you pull it out again, the oil should be between the two marks on the dipstick. Now let's talk about quality. Good, healthy oil is clear and has a brown-black color. It should be free from any particles. If it's thick and dirty, it means the oil is old and isn't lubricating your engine effectively. Checking your oil isn't just about levels, it's also about color and consistency. These signs indicate whether your oil is doing its job properly. If there's a problem, it's a heads up that your car needs an oil change. Remember, your car is a machine that needs good care. Ignoring signs of poor oil quality can lead to bigger problems down the line. Regular oil checks are an essential part of vehicle maintenance and can save you from costly repairs. Keeping your vehicle running smoothly is not as difficult as it may seem. It all boils down to one simple yet crucial task: regular oil changes. This is not just a recommendation, but a necessity. Why? Because engine oil is the lifeblood of your vehicle. It lubricates and absorbs heat, but over time, it breaks down and becomes less effective. This is where the importance of oil changes come into play. Now, what happens if you neglect this important task? Well, the consequences can be severe. Your engine could suffer damage, performance could decrease, and you may end up with costly repairs that could have been easily avoided. Older cars or newer ones, it doesn't matter. Each requires its own frequency of oil changes, but it doesn't stop there. Regularly checking your oil level and quality is equally important. Clear and brown-black oil is a sign of good health for your vehicle. Remember to change your oil regularly to keep your car running at its best. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe to our channel for more. Safe driving, everyone.